Hello friends! In this video, I'll show you how to easily download GTA San Andreas on your Android phone. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment a heart. Most of the people download the APK files and try to install them manually. But honestly, most of the time, the game doesn't install properly, or even if it does, it keeps crashing again and again. This method is full of problems. Just open the Play Store and search for San Andreas. Then, choose the payment methods. That's all. Enjoy the game. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.